Okay, so there was a internet problem. All right, so total required area is total required area or there is 80.51%. The project completes okay, within uh, yes, am I audible first of all?
Yes, sir.
And the screen is visible, is it right?
Yes, sir.
The
All right, if anyone has any doubts, you can ask. Or okay, so with this we conclude the module 3. Start with the new module today is module 1. Okay, module 1 is basically about optimizing the input, based on the uh, output what we obtain, correct? So basically that is question module 1. Just give me a moment. All right. So we'll go for the new module today, module 1. Okay. Module 1 is linear. Okay. Now why it is called as a linear? Because most of the equations what we have considered in particular chapter is mainly we are considering the linear coefficients, okay, not the quadratic equations or something like that. So you may have studied dependent and independent variables when it comes to the research methodology subject. Correct? So let us assume that price of commodity as well as inflation. Now, basically, if you have to see the inflation is dependent on the price of a as inflation, as the price increases of a particular product, inflation also tends to increase. There is sort of a relationship between there is sort of a relationship between the dependent and the independent, right? So here basically we are trying to assume that this relationship is linear always. Okay, that is the assumption. Okay, so with this assumption, we are assuming that given any type of variable, there is a linear type of relationship. Means what? This is the price of the product, and if this is the inflation, we are always assuming that the relationship is either this way. That means it is linear, or it is either increasing or decreasing. Correct? So either increase, okay, or either decrease. So this is basically the scenario. Now, given the situation, we are trying to determine different parameters. Okay, we'll see how to optimize. It is mainly used in linear program problem is mainly used in manufacturing, wherein different resources, there are different types of resources like labor, number of laborers or raw materials, or budget. Correct. So there are different type of the parameters that are required. Now with this input, correct. I hope you agree with me that the number of laborers cannot be abundant with an organization. Similarly, the raw materials required to manufacture the product may not be abundant with the organization. Similarly, the money available for manufacturing the product also may not be abundant with the company, organization, correct? So in this scenario, the project manager has to see that, has to decide the optimum combination. Okay, optimum combination of these inputs, okay, to get maximum output. Maximum output means what? We cannot say that I'm 100% investing on the raw material. I have some money, but the organization cannot say that it is going to spend 100% on this particular raw material, and I'm going to spend a zero on labors. Why? Because labors are also equally important. Raw material is also equally important. Now, the project manager has to decide as to how much we are going to spend on labor, correct? Number of labors or salary given to the labors, or spend on raw materials. Are you getting this? These both are the main question mark in front of the project manager. Correct? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. How about others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So possibly what we'll do is we will write a example in this particular class. We'll start with the explanation in the next class. Okay. So write example under module 1, first example. Manufacturing products. A and B. Now each unit of product A requires 2 kgs of raw material and 4 hours of Similarly, each unit of product B requires 3 kgs of raw material, 3 hours. Okay, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone wants me to stay back in this? So this is a very simple topic, and people should see that they make maximum of this module. So 3 hours of labor. So the total available raw material. So now coming to the constraints. The organization has some, and the total available labor hours okay. So 1 unit of 1 unit of product A provides a profit of rupees, and 1 unit of product B yields rupees 5. The profit. Okay. So here the most important aspect is okay, the available raw material. This is most important aspect, and similarly the total available labor hours. Correct. Every organization, if you have to see, there will be some shortage of the raw material, or there will be some constraint. Is it right? Every organization is not a MNC or a large cap organization wherein they have abundant amount of resources. Correct. Now with the available resource, the company or the organization or the manufacturing unit has to think, has So how many products they can manufacture. Okay, let us assume that the company is manufacturing mobile hardwares, mobile handset. Now, with the available raw material, the raw material required for the mobile manufacturing can be plastic, fiber, correct, or similarly silicon for that preparing of that chip, so on and so forth. Is it right? Now, with the available raw material, here the raw material is nothing but how many kilos of plastic or the fiber is required for manufacturing the mobile. That is important, correct? Now, how much they have purchased, how much the mobile manufacturing company has purchased this raw material. Very much important aspect, correct? So that is one aspect that has to be looked into. Why? Because based on that, the next thing can be decided as to the total number of products that correct. So this is how it is. Similarly, labor hours also. Labor hours means contract basis labors are hired. Correct. The question is formulate the linear program formula. Short, it is called as LPP. So any doubts here? The question, anyone wants me to go back to the previous screen? Okay. So those who have made note of this, they can leave. Class is over. And those who want me to go back to the previous screen, can just tell me. Go back. The class here, just tell me the list of absent. Class here. So I will message. I will ask the class here to absent. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.